Box cover, this is Dirty Berry Madeira at Shaggy and Friends on the Lords of Jamaica House 2018. But I don't know what to expect, but Sting there, when name Fetty Wap there, and Shenseea there, and a host of other artists I'm sure we're going to get to talk to in the crowd. But let's go check it out. Shaggy and Friends 2018. Alright, so people there, Shaggy and Friends, I know there's where the light, need good light. Oh yes. And the struggle to go and find where is media. Lord have mercy. Yes, Lord. Big up. We're trying to find out where the media go. Box cover, this is Dirty Berry Madeira at Shaggy and Friends on the Lords of Jamaica House 2018. But I don't know what to expect, but Sting there, when name Fetty Wap there, and Shenseea there, and a host of other artists I'm sure we're going to get to talk to in the crowd. But let's go check it out. Shaggy and Friends 2018. Alright, so people there, Shaggy and Friends, I know there's where the light, need good light. Oh yes. And the struggle to go and find where is media. Lord have mercy. Yes, Lord. Big up. We're trying to find out where the media go. Alright, so we woke up better Shaggy and Friends 2018. Ben, how you feel? Lick a bit. Talk to me about your dress. Yes, dress. Make sure you can't hear Coach. Let's put that on the camera. Alright. Also down the inside of the media tent, and yeah, all the artists there. May I try to see if I can get one or two like an interview from some people, but let's just see how it go. What you just tell me a while ago?
Listen,
yes.
me tell my grandkids them say.
We are calling them.
Alistair Kareem.
Before you watch my video them.
That's right.
Alright, and I mean say so, but you know I have to say so. But you can sneak and watch your video them.
Yeah,
no. Alright, thank you.
Tipsy, I kind of drunk. What your name?
Michael Myrie.
I just show me where I can say 2 band, you 1 band.
Yeah, do it for the kids them. Feel like.
Are you rich like that? Is a good cause still?
Yeah, a good cause. We're not going to waste it on that a good cause. Big up to my daughter, Kaylee Myrie.
Oh, big up Kaylee. Talk about your outfit, no man. You come together, you pull it together by your own.
Which is
a wife you do it, or a matey?
No, me do it myself.
Where should the matey do it?
No, me do it. No, matey can't mind.
I want to hear you dream because clearly they give about
anything, I remember.
Alright, so when I tell people them say box cover and big up Dirty Berry Show.
Dirty Berry Show, live. Bam, big up Dirty Berry. A long time here, the girl, I'm making them talk about it. Dirty Berry Show.
Alright, bless.
Love you, Jamaica. Those you people that really know Jubilee. I must say big up all the people who don't go foreign and forget about your friends and family at home. This is the original song we know. Let them see that. Come and say, worry them, worry them, worry them, worry them, worry them.
on this, look how KFC can send you over here so for food and watch it. The whole light is done. What you have to tell me, say? You promised me say food was here and no food is here.
Not my fault.
Alright. Yes, people still at Shaggy and Friends 2018, still backstage. Just had a look at the media section. Round with Ready TV with my new friend Kia. And Kia have access to all of the good KFC chicken and don't offer me any. Look here, people, watch them. Wait chicken, they wait this. What can see, wait them. Yes. All the good piece of the chicken there. You have chicken over here, so watch yours again. And none for me. Kia, you're going to promise me some?
KFC right here.
But the appear empty box, Kia, appear empty box. Alright, no. Well, let's just see people if I'll be able to find food later.
The video talking about JoJo's Jerk Pit. Natalie, how you doing?
I'm excellent. I'm actually doing makeup backstage.
Okay.
Yeah.
So have you returned to see if the customer service improved?
And I don't plan to either. No.
Wow.
No.
And I'm sure that you saw the other videos about. Were you aware that so many persons had an issue with JoJo's customer service?
I wasn't aware until Candice and I placed our videos out and our friend Damien, and after that it was like people were inboxing me, putting testimonials of their own experience, and so it really takes one person to actually speak up, and then people will come and testify against that kind of experience. It's really horrible, and really and truly it didn't have to get to this point. An apology would have just been good enough. That's all, but ego.
Yeah. For persons who don't know basically what transpired or what is going on, could you just briefly tell them the issue, what the video was basically about?
So the video was basically expressing what we had experienced at JoJo's. We went there. It's an open lounge and bar, and it's somewhere that I normally go to hang out. And for the girls that I've been going there, I've never paid a cover charge. I was never ever a cover charge, but apparently they have a new promotion running, and it's $1,000 for the cover, which I found this out after the fact. So we got to the bar. Candice and I went inside. She was a little delayed because she was on her phone. I was looking around for my friends. I didn't see them, so they spotted me. Went over to the bar, said hi, did the formal greetings. The manager came over. He was really rude. He's like, "Hi, you guys owe us $1,000 each. You need to pay us your money now." So with that, we, without hesitation, because we don't want that kind of embarrassment, we called the $1,000 each and paid. So Candice looked at me as if to say, "This is crazy." And I said to her, "Girl, customer service in this country is ridiculous." So his partner jumped in, and we were not speaking to her. This had nothing to do with her, and she jumped into the conversation, and so he continued heightening his pitch, and he kept on saying, "You guys need to pay us that $1,000. You need to pay us $1,000." So we said to him, "There's a way to do business," and he even handed us the tickets.
I heard he said something about like go back. What was it? Does it?
Oh, so so after the whole fact of it, when we paid him, he said, "You guys are just mad because you want to ditch the gates." And we're like, "What? We want to ditch the gates after we paid you the money?" So he said, "Wait, go back where you're coming from. Go back where you come from." I was like, "What do you mean by that?" And then of course my expressions got a little colorful. Won't state why. And then Candice said that she was going to talk about it on TVJ, and she was going to talk about it when she gets back home on IslandFeverFM.com. And then by that time his wife grabbed her hand like this and said, "If you ever dare, you will make the biggest mistake of your life. You'll regret it." And she kept her hands on Candice like that. So at the ending of the day, everything just went really ugly. They didn't apologize because all they needed to do was to apologize about the situation.
So if you could basically like, you know, pretend to the JoJo managers right there, and you had to just say something, a two-line to them, what would you say to them at this time?
I would say that your customer service is bottom barrel. You need to really improve on that. And really and truly, you need to take your arrogance out of the way. There's no excuse to have terrible customer service. You're senior level management and you're supposed to set a better example. That's it.
Well, you hear it from Natalie. Natalie said it proper, she said it right. Hopefully that will improve. I'm going to try to go sometime, probably next week, and I'll tell you how it
They
goes.
treat you better because you know you're Dirty Mary.
Yep. Well, that is it, people, for Shaggy and Friends. Well, that is it, people, for Shaggy and Friends 2018. It's not today. It has been fun. But then I talk to some people, I interact with celebrities, but get some food. Everything was cool. And yeah, I can't wait for Shaggy and Friends 2019. It was a lot of fun. Take care, people. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. All right, box cover.